A restaurant employs 34 servers. In how many ways can a group of 10 servers be chosen for the lunch shift? In this section, we have a mix of permutation questions and combination questions. Permutations are situations where the order does matter. So for permutation questions, your final answer is going to be a bunch of blanks and then numbers in those blanks. Combinations are situations where the order does not matter. For combination questions, the final answer is going to be something, choose something. So for this situation, is this a permutation or is this a combination? We have 34 servers and we're choosing 10 of them for the lunch shift. Does the order that we choose these 10 people matter? It does not, right? These 10 people are going to come for the same shift. It doesn't matter who we choose first, second, third, 10th. So order does not matter. So this is a combination question. Okay, for combination questions, your final answer will be something, choose something. So the first number is going to be the total number of people you're choosing from, 34. And then the second number is going to be how many people you're choosing. We're choosing 10 people. And then for combination questions, you are going to go to the calculator and then use your calculator to get the final answer. So the calculator I'm using is the Decimal Scientific Calculator. And to enter 34, choose 10, you're going to first click on the function tab, so FUNC, and then there should be at the bottom NCR. So click on NCR, and then the way you enter it is 34, 10. So 34, 10. And your final answer is 131, 128, 140. So 131,128,140. A club consists of 24 members. The club needs to choose a president, a vice president, a secretary, and a treasurer. How many ways can this be done? First question we need to ask is, does the order that we pick these people matter? Yes, it does, right? The first person we're going to pick is going to be president. The second person is going to be vice president, and so on. So the order determines their job. So the order does matter here, which means this is a permutation question. For permutations, it's going to be blanks and numbers. How many blanks do I need? I need to choose a president, vice president, secretary, treasurer. That's 4 blanks. 1 for the president, vice president, secretary, treasurer. And treasurer. How many options do we have for each blank? For president, anybody in the club can be president. So we have 24 members total. We have 24 options. And then because we're talking about people, we cannot repeat. So when we cannot repeat, we have to reduce. For vice president, because we already chose one person to be president, we have to reduce by 1, which means we're down to 23 people to choose from. And then we're down to 22 and then 21. At Fire Wings, customers ordering a family meal can choose 8 different wing flavors. If Fire Wings has 28 flavors to choose from, how many different ways can a customer order a family meal? First question we need to ask is, does the order matter? So when you're choosing these 8 flavors, does the order matter? Does it matter that you choose, say, garlic parmesan first, mango habanero second, versus mango habanero first, garlic parmesan second? Does it matter? It does not, right? They're all going to go in the same bag. It doesn't matter what order you choose these 8 different flavors. So because the order does not matter, this is a combination. For combinations, the final answer is going to be something, choose something. First number will be the total that you're choosing from, 28 flavors total. Second number, how many are you choosing? We are choosing 8. Okay, so for combinations, you are going to go to the calculator and get a final answer. So on my calculator, Decimal Scientific Calculator, you're going to click on the function tab, FUNC, and then at the bottom there should be NCR, that's the combination, and you're going to type it in as 28, 8. Hit enter. Final answer, 3,108,105. So 3,108,105. Credit cards and debit cards often require a PIN number consisting of 4 digits. Miles wants to create a PIN number that starts with 9, 4, 8, or 1. If repetitions are allowed, how many ways can this be done? First question, does the order matter? So when you're choosing a PIN number, does the order of the numbers matter? Yes, it does, right? So like 1, 2, 3, 4 as the PIN numbers is different than 4, 3, 2, 1, right? The order of those numbers matter, which means this is a permutation. Permutations are going to be blanks and numbers. How many blanks do I need? I'm choosing 4 digits, right? Digit, 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 digit. We do have some restrictions because Miles wants the first digit to be 9, 4, 8, or 1. And then the other digits can be anything else. So starting with the most restricted blank, how many options do I have? First blank can only be a 9, 4, 8, or 1. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 options. And now for the other blanks. The next one can be 0 through 9, right? 0 through 9 normally will be 10. Question is, do I have to reduce? And the question we're going to ask is, are we allowed repetitions? Repetitions are allowed, so we don't have to reduce. So I have the full 0 through 9, that's 10 options. And then for the same reason, don't have to reduce, 10 options, 10 options. 4 times 10 times 10 times 10. 19 students from American River College and 15 students from Sierra College attend a new student orientation. At the end of the event, 7 students will be chosen to receive $20 gift certificates to Jamba Juice. Part A, how many ways can the 7 students be chosen? First question we're going to ask is, does the order that we choose these 7 students matter? No, it doesn't. Because these 7 students are all going to get the same gift certificate, same prize. So it doesn't matter which student got chosen first, second, or third, or seventh. They're all going to get the same prize. Order that we choose them doesn't matter. So this is going to be a combination. Combinations, final answer will be something, choose something. So first number will be total from which we're going to choose. How many total do we have to choose from? Well, we're going to choose, total is going to be all the students together. So that's the 19 from ARC and then the 15 from Sierra. So what is that total? 19 plus 15. 19 plus 15 is 34 students total. And then second number, how many are we choosing? We're choosing 7 students to get the prize. Combinations, we are going to find a final answer. So on my calculator, okay, we'll click on the FUNC tab, and then at the bottom, NCR. The way you type it in is 34,7. And our final answer is 5,379,616. 5,379,616. Part B. How many ways can 7 students be chosen so that all 7 are from ARC? Okay, still same situation, so it's going to be a combination. Something, choose something. We're choosing 7 students. But if I want them all from ARC, instead of choosing from the whole 34, I'll just choose these 7 students from just the ARC students, which is just the 19 students. Okay, so we're choosing 7 students from just ARC, and then just ARC, there's just 19 students total from ARC. So our final answer here on the calculator again, 19 choose 7. So NCR, 19, 7. 50,388. 50,388. A family consisting of 3 children and 8 adults have reserved a row of seats at a theater. The 3 children need to sit in the middle and 4 adults on either side. How many ways can a family seat themselves? Question is, does the order matter here? Anytime you're arranging people in a row, the order is going to matter. So this is going to be a permutation. Okay, how many blanks do I need? There's 3 children in the middle. So these are children, 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 and then 4 adults on either side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Adult, 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 adult. Okay. 3 children in the middle, 4 adults on either side. Let's start with the children. How many options do we have? First blank, first child here. There's 3 children total, so I have 3 options to choose for the children here, for the child. And anytime we're talking about people, it's understood that repetitions are not allowed. So for the second child, I should be down to 2, and then down to 1. The adults. Adult here, how many adults can I choose from for this first blank? There's 8 adults total, so I should have 8 options here. And then once again, because we are talking about people, we're not going to repeat. And because we aren't going to repeat, we do have to reduce. And then we're down to 7 because we have to reduce, down to 6, down to 5, down to 4, down to 3, 2, 1. You have a video game collection containing 28 games. You want to give away 11 games to your cousin. How many ways can you pick the 11 games to give away? First question we need to ask is, does the order that we pick these 11 games matter? Probably not, right? They're all going to go into the bag and you're going to give the bag to your cousin. So it doesn't matter which game you picked first, second, third, 11th. It doesn't matter the order. So because the order does not matter, this is a combination. For combinations, your final answer will be something, choose something. First number, how many total do you have to pick from? We have 28 games total. Second number, how many are we picking? We're picking 11 to give to the cousin. So 28, choose 11. We are going to use a calculator to get a final answer here. So on a calculator, click on the Func, F-U-N-C tab, and then at the bottom, NTR. And the way you enter it is 28, 11. And our final answer will be 21, 21, 474, 180. So 21,474,180. Cami wants to create an identification code consisting of 4 letters followed by 3 digits. She wants the code to start with A, S, or L and end with 6 or 3. The letter part can have repetitions, but the digit part cannot have repetitions. How many different codes can she create? First thing I'm going to ask myself is, does the order matter here? ID codes, probably the order matters. So this is going to be a permutation. Permutations are going to be blanks and numbers. How many blanks do I need? I need 4 blanks for the letters and then 3 blanks for the digits. These are letter, 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 and then 3 digits, digit, digit, digit. And then I have some restrictions. She wants the code to start with A, S, or L. So first letter will have to be A, S, or L. And end with 6 or 3. Last digit will be 6 or 3. For each blank, go through and write down the number of options. Start with the most restrictive, which will be the first and last. First blank needs to be A, S, or L. So there are 1, 2, 3 options there. Last blank needs to be 6 or 3. 1, 2 options. Now for the other blanks. Letter. So letters are A through Z. Normally that would be 26. And the question is, do I have to reduce? And the question I'm going to ask is, can I have repetitions or not? The letter part can have repetitions. So if you are allowed repetitions, you don't have to reduce. So I have the full A through Z, that's 26, okay? I'm allowed repetitions, so I don't have to reduce, full 26 and full 26. Digit is 0 through 9, which normally would be 10 options. Question is, do I have to reduce? The digit part cannot have repetitions. So because I cannot repeat, I do have to reduce. So normally 0 through 9 would be 10 options, but because I cannot repeat, I do have to reduce. I already used one digit. I have to reduce by 1, so I have 9 options here. And then I have to reduce again to 8. So 3 times 26 times 26 times 26 times 9 times 8 times 2.